All right, everybody. Yes. I'm actually going to do a review on the OONI pizza oven. I have the OONI 12, the Coda 12. I already have it set up, and I put the stone in already. As you can see, I've actually used it before. The 3 legs are up. I want to show you how to start this, the OONI 12. So I have it connected to a little 5-pound propane tank. You can actually connect it to a 25-pound or whatever size tank that you have, because you have a regulator on it. It came with it. So here's the back side. We're going to focus right into there. And here's the oven. I'm just going to go ahead and turn the gas on. So the gas is open. I'm going to go ahead . So you got to hold it for a bit or it'll go out. Just like a pilot, like on a hot water tank or anything like that. Okay. So now we're going to let it warm up. And I do suggest getting one of these thermometers that tests. It'll tell you the temperature of the stone. As you can see, the sun is setting just a bit. So I'm just going to put some semolina on here. Kind of made a mess. I'm going to take that dough out. There we go. There. Now we probably wanted this round, but we're going to make do with what we got here. Let's see if we can get this onto here. And I'm still a beginner, everybody, so don't expect perfection. So I actually went to, where'd I go today? I had to drive. It was a trail from hell, but I had to go down to Whole Foods and get some pizza sauce. So I drove a trail that was holy rocks. That's all I can say. All right. And you know something? I drove all that way and I forgot to get sausage or toppings, shall we say. So we're just going to make a cheese pizza tonight. And I might just do this one. There we go. I'm going to put it back on the cutting board until we're ready. Let me check the temp of the pizza oven. All right, we are 730 degrees. What we're going to do and try . This is just semolina. Is that still going, hopefully? All right, so I'm going to have to put you off to the side, everybody. Just got to see if we can get this pizza in the oven without spilling it everywhere like I usually do. There's techniques to this I just haven't learned yet. Get in there. It's like 30 seconds per side, so to speak. And what I do, I turn the oven all the way down. I turn it all the way up to get it going, and then I turn it down because I haven't mastered the thin crust pizza yet. I'm working it. This is like pizza with a view. Sun's going down over there. Look at that. All right. I gotta get the turner. I think I left the turner in New York. So. It's coming out pretty good. All right, I'm not happy with this pizza. It's salvaged, but oops. Almost done. They're gonna say she's done. All right. Alrighty. So, this is just a plain cheese tonight. Because I already had steak. So I'm just gonna try this, taste test this. Came out pretty good though. I love this piece. I'm gonna get that one right there. It's my fave, man. My rusticated pizza. There's the bottom. See, it's too soft. See how the bottom is? Can you see that? Yeah. Stone should have been hotter. It's pretty good though. Pretty good.